Hi! In front of me is CUBOT Max 3, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this CUBOT. You need to begin by opening Settings and choosing Privacy section after scrolling down. Then click on Permission Manager at the top and click on one of your device's features. I will go with Location. Then select an app like Camera and click on one of those options. Allow only by using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with the first one, so when I go back, as you can see, Camera just can't gain access to this device location if I'm using it. But you can always pick any feature and then an app that you are interested in. For example, I want to manage all permissions for my Chrome browser. Or Drive. Then select See All Drive permissions over here and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!